I want to make people happy, and I want to have them enjoy life like I've enjoyed my life. 75 years old. I had a fine arts program that had started. I would bring in people from outside of the school to come in and teach our kids dance and choir, drama. We didn't have the auditorium at first. We just had the school building. And it was this big cavernous, it was an old auditorium, but I had a vision of what my kids needed first. And then I saw the space. Yeah, this could be it. Our kids deserve it. They're great kids. And I was telling our, board of directors, I see it through my eyes. I see the stage, I see the balcony. If I come up with an idea, I'm bold enough to go out and get it. I didn't even open a theater until I was 70 years old. It's the will and the perseverance, and you not just wanting to sit back and let the world pass you by. You want to have a stake in your community and to be a guide to the younger people.